So, this is, Zerky's Gastropub in Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet...
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Oh, we're down next. This is a beautiful map, very nice.
Looks like those hover pads are on the fritz. Very nice level, is this? Very nice.
Wanna make your enemies go bzzz? Grab the lightning rod!
This is really cool actually, I like this theme.
Welcome to Zerky's, your newly interdimensional gastropub in Battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Zerky's. With a smile.
Zerky's usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts.
They're really cool though actually. Not into the details, very cool.
No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee jade.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafer. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Zerky This is a violence-free zone. Taken outside.
I am more lover than fighter. For you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
Welcome, my names, to Zircon Jr.'s Slaughterplex. Are you ready to witness excitement? The carnage! Tonight, me, will fight
It's mad as me.
Why must every dimension have a dangerous battle arena?
Strike you both myself! But first, you must prove you are worthy!
Hey there.
The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Ah, yes! Tearing through this fabric of space-time! A true pirate signature! Come on, Edith! I thought you and your sassy backpack would put on more of a show!
Pressing bad dice now. Round 4.
That's what.
Oh! Il! Sacré bleu! Oh! I sprained my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It is an honorable discharge!
Why am I surprised that Pierre is running from a fight? Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal booster.
Banana dice.
Looks like you're gonna need a new partner, Pierre.
Just because he's been already beaten, does not mean you will win. That won't be so.
I throw their dice near there.
Almost got him. Payback's coming.
What to the who now? Rhythm emerges victorious from the ravages of battle. Cheer, beams! Cheer!
A defeat? But how? Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your bath.
Ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Wait, okay. I have to tell you something.
Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing. We've got to get him and us out of here. But without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful out there. Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing. Nice work back there. Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Blizar Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up. You've gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a Dimensionator.
I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe. Right.
Ever dreamed of tunneling straight to your enemies? Make the dream a reality with the Drill Hound! Ooh-wee! That one is so hot right now! Leaving so soon?
Hey there, Rivet! If you're hearing this and can spare a moment or two, Trudy sure could use your help on Sargasso.
Trudy?
She's a friend. Probably has nothing to do with saving the dimension, but Mort wouldn't ask if it wasn't important.
I know I've been away for you know how long. So, I thought we should catch up. What have I been up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans. Enjoying my lovely scenery. And finding out that there are two insolent Lombaxes running around trying to ruin everything. So, I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion nefarious freedom coupons to anyone who can bring me those fuzzy miscreants, dead or alive. But preferably alive, so I can have some fun with them first. My elaborate spy network indicates that they'll be at Blizar and Savali very soon. So, get to it! And if those Lombaxes are listening, just know that I'm going to crush you into dust. And then I'll blast that dust into a sun, and then I'll dump that sun into...
Great. Now I'm on 2 nefarious hit lists.
And he knows where we are going. Oh, dear.
I haven't forgotten about you, Trudy. Let's hope Ratchet finds that prophet soon.
If I knew how to build a Dimensionator, where would I be? Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in this video. Goodbye.